Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to show keyboard on screen on macOS 26. This is super useful if your physical keyboard is acting up, or if you're recording a tutorial and want your viewers to see exactly which keys you're pressing. To get the keyboard on your screen, first, go ahead and open your system settings. Next, look for the accessibility option. From there, scroll down until you find keyboard. You'll see an option called Accessibility Keyboard. Go ahead and toggle that on. The virtual keyboard pops up right on your screen, ready for typing. If you don't need it anymore, just toggle it off. Now, if you use this feature a lot, here's a faster way. Go to your keyboard settings. Under the Text Input section, click Edit. You'll see an option that says Show Input Menu in Menu Bar. Make sure that's turned on. Once that's on, you'll see a little icon up in your menu bar. Click that and select Show Keyboard Viewer. Just like that, the virtual keyboard appears. Just a heads up, toggling this from the menu bar basically does the same thing as the accessibility setting we looked at earlier. You can also tweak how it looks. Click the three dots on the keyboard panel. You can make it bigger, adjust the opacity, or switch between light and dark mode. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, smash that like button and check out my playlist for more macOS tips for beginners. Catch you in the next one.